Do you or a loved one suffer from stiff hands? When you press your fingers on the keys of a piano, do your fingers bend backwards like spaghetti? Today, I'm going to go through proper hand position technique. Before we start playing, let's check our hands. Do you see the long white part of the fingernail? Cut them now! If you happen to be the type of person that has nails like these, you cannot wipe or play piano. After you cut your fingernails, place your hands inside the piano. Once you're ready to begin, position your hand as if you're holding onto a baseball. Remember to place your hands up to the black keys, not past them. Avoid stretching your fingers, they'll look like a spider, and we hate spiders. And keep your wrists up, not down. Move your hands inward so your thumbs don't fall off the piano. After you correct your hands, place the thumb of the right hand on middle C. This is called C position. Each of your fingers will have its own key as shown in this example. You will then press each key 5 times ascending, then descending as shown here. When you finish the exercise with your right hand, switch to your left hand by placing the pinky of your left hand on middle C, then follow this exercise. One more thing to remember, as you press, your fingers must be curved outward without lifting any of your other fingers. If you bend, as shown here, it can cause serious pain later on. Learning how to use your hands and fingers takes time and practice, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results as fast as you'd like. Until next time, practice, practice.